Hello, kids. Let's learn sight words. It is a book. The bug is red. Did you see the flower? And pan and jam are in the box. We like to run. See my car. Can you give me an apple? This is my cup. That is a kettle. I like mango. See, I see a cat. Look at the house. Big. It is a big bag. The cat is with the dog. 4. The cake is for you. He is a boy. She is a girl. The cat is in the box. She said, I have a cupcake. Go. I go to school.